Hey friends, this is Latif Val and welcome to the new update on Illuvium. Recently on a 4-hour time frame chart, Illuvium has broken down this up channel and you can see that after the breakdown for a while, we broke down this support of $55. This is a quite long-term support by the way. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that this $55 has been previously working on the 7 days time frame chart, then it will be more easy to find. You can see that this $55 has been previously breaking at the resistance here, and support here. Now again, on the 7 days time frame chart, we are breaking it down, but on a 4-hour time frame chart, sometimes price is moving above this resistance, and sometimes it is moving below this support level resistance level. Right now, you can see that we are moving above this level and testing this level as a support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term down channel as well. You can see that for several weeks or months since after the month of Feb 2024, it was moving inside this channel. And now recently, we have broken out this channel. And I would also like to show you a very, very massive breakout that is happening in the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term at another big and long-term down channel as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Illuvium that I shared a few days ago on 6th of December 2024 with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost 14% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, and I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You can also visit that report as well. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Illuvium that I shared a few days ago on 6th of December 2024 with my members. And that was an expected harmonic bullish versus shark pattern that Illuvium was completing on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup, a buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price in first dropped more down and into the buying zone here. You can see that the price in was dropped down up to $62.88. Here, by the way, you can buy the lowest price. And after that, we had a very, very nice reversal and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 14% pump only on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch each of the pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Illuvium. And first of all, let me to show you the 4-hour time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several hours or days, it was moving inside this quite long up channel, and it was nicely forming higher highs and higher lows, but now we have broken it down. And right now, the price is sometimes moving above this support of $55 and sometimes moving below this support. Right now, we are again testing this level as support, but this is a quite long-term support level. Therefore, we need to keep an eye on the weekly closing. For example, if we will have a weekly closing above this, below this support, then it can drop down here at the bottom of the channel. That is a technical target, by the way, for the breakdown from this channel. That is approximately at $38. By the way, from $38 to $34.50, we have a quite long-term support zone. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously it has been working at a very strong support zone here, here, and here as well. Now, here you can see that we have already broken out this quite long-term down channel as well, and the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel at $160. And over there, by the way, we also have another quite long-term resistance that was recently breaking other resistance here, and before that, it was also breaking other resistance here as well. And on this 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long term, another very big and long term down channel as well. And the long term target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $2,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.